Fuck, that was a big hailstorm. Fuck. Massive dent in Dad's car. Fucking just took it to the fucking place. You get it fixed. There's a dent that big. Seriously. Hail the size of golf balls in Perth. Fuck that.